everyone! Today I will be making chocolate dipped creamy peanut butter bites. To make it is quite simple. All you need to do is combine 1.5 cups of creamy peanut butter with a stick of softened butter, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once you have all those ingredients happily married, you're going to start adding a total of 3 cups of powdered sugar. I am sifting them in 3 batches to help it mix evenly and avoid clumps. These bites from heaven are inspired by the Buckeye candy, which are named after the nut from the Ohio Buckeye tree. Do you see the resemblance? Since Valentine's Day is around the corner, instead of the traditional round Buckeye, I'm going to make them in a heart form and dip them halfway into chocolate. Returning back to our bowl, once you have it all massaged in, it will form into the consistency just like cookie dough. For a bite-sized candy, portion them to about a tablespoon. A traditional Buckeye would be rolled into a ball like this, but in celebration of Valentine's Day, I will be using this heart-shaped silicone mold. Again, you're going to spoon a small portion and push it into each cavity. I used an offset spatula to press it in a little bit more, and then I also used it to scrape off any excess peanut butter. Next, you want to put it into the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Freezing them will firm them up to make it more manageable while dipping into the chocolate. Once they are hardened, they will be much easier to pop out of the mold. Remember that these are made out of creamy peanut butter and a lot of powdered sugar, so they will not only melt in your mouth, but they will also melt in your hands. It's best to work quickly and in a cool environment. To prepare the chocolate, I used the double broiler method to melt my chocolate chips. And for this, I did milk chocolate, but if you like dark chocolate, by all means. To dip them, I used a toothpick, dipped, tapped, and then gently scraped off the excess from the flat side of the heart onto the rim of the bowl. Place them on parchment paper to allow the chocolate to set. Since I had it by the warm stove, you'll notice that my peanut butter is starting to glisten, so throwing it back in the refrigerator to chill would be a good idea. Now don't worry about the holes from the toothpicks. The peanut butter dough is very moldable. Just use the back of a spoon or a spatula to smooth out the surface and it'll patch up the holes. For a festive flair, I'm going to add a tiny speck of edible gold flakes. I recommend storing these in the refrigerator and letting it thaw out for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. I hope I was able to inspire some of you to make your own Valentine's treats this year rather than buying them in the store. What are your favorite peanut butter guilty pleasures? Comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos. Bye, friends!